Good morning, Kitri. How are you today?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning,
Teacher,
Marin.
good
Papa, good
morning.
morning. Huh?
Good morning. I'm 6. Good.
6 years old. I said, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
6.
Okay. Hi, Gypsy. Gypsy. So we have here Gypsy, Papa. Who's this? Baiboa. Baiboa, right?
Yes.
Okay, Baiboa, Gypsy, Papa, and Marine. Okay, you are very good. Good, you are too early. So, I want you to prepare your worksheet. This one, your... This worksheet. Weather word. Weather word. You have to prepare your worksheet. Worksheet. You have to prepare your worksheet. The weather word. Look at this one. Okay? Yes, that one. That one, yes, very good. You have to prepare your science worksheet now because we are going who else is in there? So, hello, good morning. Who is it there? Who is this? Pao? Good morning. Is it Pao? 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 Yes, that one, Miri. So prepare first your worksheet, your science worksheet before we start. Okay? Prepare your worksheet because we're going to answer this one. Okay? So weather words. All you have to do is to match the weather and the words. You have to match the weather and the words. Okay? All you have to do is to draw a line.
Okay.
One for you. Let us talk about the weather, okay? The season. I prepared this one for you. I just prepared this one, and you have to check this one out. Okay, just a minute.
ไม่ได้ฝนใช่ไหมแดดจัดฝนตกเมฆมาก
Okay. So we have different seasons. Okay, we have spring. How many seasons we have? We have spring, winter. Look at here. We have
เขียน
spring,
ชื่อก่อนเดี๋ยวค่อย
winter.
ทำ
Okay.
ฝนนี่เห็นไหม
And you say it's spring, winter,
นี่ลินดูก่อนนะเดี๋ยวค่อยทำเขียนไว้ก่อนตามดูก่อน
summer,
SP เนี่ยต้องเขียน
autumn.
เขียนก่อนมันจะตอบไม่ได้
So we have 4 different seasons. Let us talk first about rainy season, okay? This is rainy season. Let's talk first about rainy season. Okay, look at this one. So rain is a droplet of water that fall from clouds. Okay, this is rain. This one like that. Hi, Priya. Good morning, Priya. Come on, Priya. Welcome, Priya. And now let's go to this one. Okay, this is the cycle of the rain, okay? This is the cycle of the rain, okay? The rain is from the ground, this one here, from the surface water, groundwater, and it will evaporate going to the clouds. Okay? The rain from the ground, okay, from the surface water, it will evaporate and it will go to the clouds and condensation. It will condense and it will form. Then the clouds become heavier and just So water falls back to the earth as a form of rain. Okay, this is the water cycle. This is the rain, the cycle of the rain. Okay. Okay, first let us talk about the rainy weather clothes. Okay, what you are going to wear when it is raining? Rainy season. When it is rainy season, you have to wear your what is this? Raincoat. Okay, I'll put this one like that so you can see it. Okay, raincoat. Okay, and also you have to wear your, what is that? Boots. Boots. You have to wear your boots so you will not get wet. And you also have to bring with you your umbrella. Because, what is this? Umbrella. Okay? Umbrella. And also you have to put on your jacket. Okay, jacket. Okay. And also you have to put on your sweater because during rainy season, it's a little bit cold. Okay, so you can put on your sweater. Okay, to keep yourself warm. Sweater. This is sweater. Okay, you have to wear your sweater during rainy season. And also you have to put your, what is this? And sack. Okay, you also have to put your sack during rainy season. It can help you, or can also you have to put your, what is that? Bonnet. Okay, and also you have to keeping yourself warm and dry when the rest of keeping cold, cough, or flu from the cold of rain. So you need to get yourself dry. Okay, keep yourself dry during rainy season in order for you not to get not to catch sickness easily. Okay, you will not get cold, cough, or flu from the rain because it can. Okay, you need to keep yourself warm during rainy season. Okay, now I will go to another season. I will share with you this one. Okay, let us go now to winter season. Let us check about the winter season. Okay. Just so we have spring, summer, fall, winter. Okay. Now let's continue. Now let's go to summer, okay? Summer is usually the time of the year. Okay, we are now in summer season. Summer. What is summer season? Okay, you have to look this one out. Fruit grows on trees and plants. Okay, during summer season, the fruits will grow on trees and plants. Okay. Okay, this is the animals will become bigger and stronger during summer season. Okay? Okay, summer is very hot. Look at this one.
Very hot.
Summer is very hot. Look at this one. You can see it. And we have the temperature is very high. Temperature is very high, 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? During summer, the temperature is very high, dry and cracked. So the land will become dry and it will crack. Okay,
Crack.
just during summer, okay? So go somewhere, during summer, you can go somewhere with colder air. Okay, during summer, you can go somewhere with colder air because summer is very hot.
Very hot.
Okay, okay, now just like that. And then you have to keep opening your air condition, right? You will open your air condition during summer because it's too hot, right? Summer is too hot, so you have to open your air condition, okay, to keep yourself warm. And then you can drink cold liquids, okay? During summer, you can choose to drink cold liquids, okay? Because summer is very hot. You can drink liquids and you have to take a bath because it is very hot. Okay? So you need to take a bath. Okay? Because it is very hot during summer. Okay? You need to take a bath, you need to take a shower. Okay? Because summer is very hot. So you need to water the plants because the plants need water during during summer because summer is very hot. So you need to water plants. Okay, if you have plants, you have to water. Okay. Let's go to winter. I will share another screen. I will share another screen. I think this one. Okay. Now let's go to our last season. So you can identify now the season. Okay. Can identify now different season. Summer is very hot. Rainy days. You can have. Look at your worksheet now. Look at your okay.
มีไหมตัวหนังสือในเนี้ยมีไหมเนี่ย
have to match with the words, okay? The words. You have to match the words. Okay? Hello, so you need to match it. Okay? We have here Sunny. Which
Sunny.
Okay? You can identify. Okay, Sunny, you have to.
Sunny เห็นมันกระโยง
Sunny
คือโยงโยงมาพัดอาทิตย์แดง
And we also have here Rainy.
ฟังไปก่อน
Rainy, you can identify
Rainy แปลว่าอะไร
where that is Rainy. You can identify Rainy. Picture here that is Rainy. And we have here Cloudy. You can identify the picture here of Cloudy. You have to draw a line to match the words to a picture. And we have here Wendy. So you have a picture here. Identify the picture of Wendy.
ดูที่พิเจอร์ชี้ดิ
The picture, okay? The picture to the words. And we have here Snowy. Okay, Snowy. So you have to identify which picture here that is looks like Snowy.
ไม้บรรทัด
Okay. Okay, just all you have to do is to draw a line to match it. To match the different season.
ตรงกลางก็คือสีเหลือง
And now let's go to this one. Winter season. Winter season is the coldest
มี
season
หิมะตก
of
ที่ไหน
the
เม
year.
ฆมาก
You like winter? Who likes
เมฆมากลมแรง
winter?
สโนวี่
Who likes winter?
สโนวี่คืออะไร
Papa,
นี่ลม
you
แรง
like
เหรอ
winter?
ไม่
You
อะไร
like
เนี่ย
winter, Papa?
หนูจำฟังครู
You like winter season, Papa?
อันไหนเมฆมาก
Okay, now let's talk about winter.
อันนี้อะไร
You know what
มั
is
นไม่มี
winter?
น้ำหิมะ
I will show you what is winter. Okay? I have a song here for winter season. You have to listen for this first. Listen to this one first.
มีมากอันไหนมีมากไม้บรรทัดนี่อะไร
Just a minute. Oh, okay. Now let's continue.
อันนี้คืออะไร
Okay, let's continue.
นี่อะไรฮะก็ฝนตกอยู่นี่แล้วไงเปย์ได้มันก็เปย์ไม่ออกลมแรงเนี่ยมันอยู่ตรงไหนอันไหนลมแรงสโนวี่อยู่ตรงไหนสโนวี่คืออะไรคืออะไร
Who likes winter? You like winter? Huh? You like winter season? Oh. Okay, now let's... You like
เดี๋ยว
winter?
เพิ่งโชว์รอให้ครูที่เจอร์ขับมาอีกรอบนึงก่อน
But you like winter season, right? Okay, now let us continue. Okay, now open this one. No. Finish already with this. And now let's go to... Let's go to...
Teacher Look.
Huh?
I finished watching this.
You finished the worksheet already? Oh,
Yes.
good. So you are...
วันนี้วันศุกร์มิลลี่ยังไม่ได้โยงเส้นเลยอ่ะ
You are very good, Marine. All of you are finished your worksheet? All of you finished your worksheet?
No.
You finished your worksheet already? All you have to do is all you have to do is draw a line.
Cocomelon. That is me.
You finished? You already identified the weather? Okay, now let us go to this
ดูแล
one.
ไปเดินดูค่ะ
Well, okay.
Now let us go to I think this one is
ถามว่าเป็น
now let's
วันที่เลขอะไรอ่ะ ตั้งแต่วันนี้12แล้วก็11แล้วก็
the winter clothes.
6แล้วก็4ฟ้ามัน
Let's not check the winter clothes.
ดูที่เจอที่ขยาย
yes
You finished already, Marine? Marine, you finished?
yes
All of you finished? You know, Kitri, you are very smart, okay? I am so proud. Okay, Papa, you finished?
not yet
Okay, not yet. Very good. You can do it, Papa. And also, you finished? Have you answered already, Pia? Have you answered already, Pia?
ฉีดยาโอเคมันฉีดขาหน่อย
And how about Taikawa, you answered already?
yeah look
Are you finished? Okay, very good.
okay
Yeah, you finish your work, Pia. Okay. What is one you like? What is
ที่
one
มัน
you
มีเป็น
like?
สีเด็กของเราไม่มีเป็นสีเล่นไหมคุณจะกูสอนให้
เพราะว่าครูระบายเพราะว่ามันโดนแดด
And I cannot open this one.
หน้าจบแท็บเล็ตเปื้อนขนาดนั้น
I cannot open the winter clothes.
เหมือนดาวอังคารเลยใช่ไหม
เปื้อนมากไม่มาโดนดุแน่เปื้อนไม่ดูจักเช็ด
Then go to winter clothes. And then I have it. Okay, now this is the winter clothes. Look at this one. This is what you're going to wear during winter, right? You have to wear mittens, okay? Because winter is very What is this?
Did that. Did that.
So you have to answer while we are this. Okay. Okay. And you also have to wear. What is this one? You know what is this? This is a scarf. This is what we call a scarf. Okay, we will wear during winter season because it's very cold. And you also have to wear, what is this?
Wells. Teacher, unfinished.
Very good. So you have to listen to this. This is what you are going to wear during winter season. So you will not get sick. To prevent for you not to get sick, okay? You have to wear
ไม่เกิดภาษาอังกฤษไว้แล้วมีจะรู้ไหมนี่ดูมาเขายังไม่จบนะ
So this is an air mask. You have to wear winter because it's very cold. Okay, you have this one? Okay, now let's go to this one. You also have to wear a gloves. Gloves. You have to wear these gloves during winter season. And then you have to wear this one. What is this? What is this? Walnut. Okay, you need to wear something warm. It will help you feel warm. So keep yourself warm. Okay? And you also have to wear what is this? Sweater. You also have to wear sweater during winter season. It's very cold. Sweater can help us warm our body. And you have to wear this
jacket.
Coat. You have this coat?
Yes.
I
have many.
Oh, you have many coats.
No, we don't have.
So you have many different types of coats. And you also have to wear this one.
Boots.
Very good. So you have your boots with you? You have your boots? Are you wearing boots during winter? You have to wear boots, okay? Wear boots. Boots can help our body and help warm our body. Boots. And now let's go to this one. You have to wear this. Winter socks. Okay, this is winter socks. Okay, you have to wear this kind of socks during winter. It will help you warm our body. It will help. It can help warm our body. Okay. I want to say thank you so much for listening. And are you finished answering? Right? You finished everything, right?
Yes.
You finished answering your worksheet?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You understand the differences? Okay, so I want to say thank you for listening and for answering the worksheet. You are very good. Okay, I will tell Teacher Mary Lou that you are all very good. I will tell Teacher Mary Lou that you are all very good. And if you keep on and learning, you keep on learning, I will give you a gift. You want a gift? Huh? I will give you a gift. Maybe I will check the time when I can give you the gift. Maybe on Christmas.
Okay.
You want gift from me on Christmas? Because you are very good, okay? I want to say thank you to you and math class. We have math class in the afternoon, okay? We have afternoon 1:50. Okay, it will start 1 o'clock, 1:50, okay? So I'll see you in our math class by next week, okay? I want to say thank you. Can you show me your heart? Okay, I love you, T3. I'll see you in the afternoon, okay? Bye. What? What is that?
Teacher, look.
Heart is here. You put your heart here. Put your heart here. Okay. Oh,
Teacher, look.
Gypsy, Bea.
พอแล้ว
Boa.
ไปเบื่อตลกกันไปเอาไปต้องบัตรดีมาก